Hello everyone, let me show you how I did this magic star. First of all, the materials. You are going to need 24 strips of paper, of cardstock, in 4 different colors for extra effect. These strips of paper, these 24 strips of paper, they measure 10 centimeters by 31. In inches, this means it's going to have 4 inches by 12 and a half. Okay, I can show you here from my book. 24 pieces, 10 centimeters by 31, or 4 inches by 12 and a half. For the X-ray effect that we like to have, we're going to use 4 different colors. Okay, 6 strips of each color. Then we are going to score it. We are going to score it at 10, 20, 25 and 30. In inches, we are going to score at 4, 8, 10 and 12. Okay? We will also need magnets, double-sided tape, glue, the glue that you most like to use, and decorative paper. I already have, for each strip of paper that I have for each color, I already selected papers. So I have 6 papers, a little less than 10 by 10, so this is 9.5 by 9.5. So you need less than 4 inches by 4 inches, so it would mean like 3 inches and something more. Well, take just a little bit of the 4 inch. These we are going to cut in half. Okay, why? Because we are going to glue these in this area here, like this, one and another. Please mind not to glue them at the fold, because we are going to need this to move properly. So we are going only to glue over here and not on the folds. Okay? So in my notes, you will decorate them only here in these areas. Okay? I'm going to decorate mine and then I'll come back to show you the rest of the process. See you soon. So I've already glued all my decorative paper on the strips of paper. This is how I did it, see? And now I already placed some double-sided tape here on this flap, and we are going to start gluing it. So before I remove the back tape, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start folding. So at the decorative paper I'm going to do like this, and now down, and this side goes all the way around. See how we're going to do like a sort of a heart shape, almost a heart shape or a V shape. This is how you are going to glue all the strips of paper, and then you remove the back. If you don't use double-sided tape, use the glue that you most like to use. This is how it's going to look. Okay, I'm going to do the other one. So I'm going to flip this fold back, doing like this, then this one back, and this one around like this. See, we have our V, and now I'm going to remove the back strip and I'm going to glue it down. And this is our V, or our heart, sort of a heart shape. Okay, now I did all this process for the 4 colors and for the 6 strips of each color, and now we're going to assemble our star. How will we do it? So I'm going to start with the pink one, and this is why I have everything on sets of colors, because we are going to use one color each time. So we're going to assemble it one color at a time. So I'm going to start with the pink one, and I'm going to place the V or the heart to the left side. Okay, V for the left side. Now I'm going to apply glue. Apply the glue that you most like. If you want to use a double-sided tape, use, or ATG gun, wet glue, the glue you'll always use. And now I'm going to put a color on top. The color I'm going to put the yellow one. That's why I have already placed in sets. The V is in that direction, so I have the one on the bottom goes to the left, and this one goes like this. And I'm going to put one on top of the other. Okay, press hard. Okay, now I'm going to put this V to the left side, and I'm going to put on the top the green one, but with the V facing forward. Okay, so I'm going to apply glue. V facing forward, the other V facing to the left side. Press, and it's done. Now this V to the left side. Now I'm going to glue the blue one with the V facing forward. Apply glue. And we're going to repeat the process until we have all the strips glued. Rotate to left side, apply glue. It's like an assembly line. And now the pink one with the V facing forward. Here it is. And we're going to do this all the way till we end all the paper. I'm going now for my last 4 strips of paper to finish the assembly line. Okay, this is it. The assembly is made. Now we're going to test if everything is okay, if we did not make anything wrong. Okay, so here it goes. Looking nice, looking nice. Pretty cool. Now let's try. Yes, yes, we did it. Looking nice. Right? Pretty nice. Now what are we going to do now? Now we're going to do, and this is what I have here. So we're going to make the closure, and this is why we're going to need magnets. We're going to need magnets because when we open our star, okay, I need this side to stick with this side, and it holds, so I can rotate and turn the star to the colors that I want. So I'm going to need to apply magnets here and here, so on the front cover and on the back cover. I already have here my magnets. I already chose from the 6x6 paper pad a piece of paper, so it's a little less than 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters, a little less than 4 inches by 4 inches, so I can see a little bit of the pink from the cover that I like. So I have this one here. I have this one for the back cover. And I also have this strip of cardstock that I made to make the closure. This strip of paper measures, so I cut a strip of cardstock and I fold it to the center to make it sturdy. This one has 10 centimeters, and here I have 5 and 5 centimeters. The size here on the sides will depend on the thickness of the cardstock that you chose. So after you do this, I suggest you to measure the size, how long is the size that you have, so you can cut to make this part of the closure. Okay, don't go by my measures, because I have one thickness of cardstock and you may have another thickness of cardstock and it does not work. Okay, so I advise you to measure how large is the size and then you do your own strip. Okay, so this is what I came up with, and then I'm going to decorate it with a flower and with the Volkswagen. It's so cute. Now, so this is going to be my front cover. This is the paper that I'm choosing. I need to place magnets, okay? So I have some here. I will do this on fast forward so it does not take you too much time, okay? Here it goes. Okay. Like this. I like this side better. And here it goes. And now, only to decorate. Thank you.